and gentlemen. So today we are doing a new series with my Circle Sports Bottle. This is today's flavor. Parrot Punch. Ain't got no added stuff. It's just pure fruit punch. So circle if you're listening. That's good. We're gonna get some more flavors to do this with, and yeah, like I say, I find this way more practical to carry on the road than my dad's, which is this right here. You kind of see where I'm going with this, guys. But anyway, the flavor for today is Parrot Punch. I like my drink cartridges on either 8 or 9, which is the most flavor you can get. So, but anyway, y'all have a good one.